I'll show you exactly how to contact MetaPay support to fix payment errors, dispute unauthorized charges, or get help with a refund, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before we jump in, here is the 2026 Golden Rule. Always start your support requests from the specific device where the transaction occurred. MetaPay uses device-based security tokens to verify your identity. If you try to contact them from a new laptop about a payment you made on your phone, you might get stuck in an endless loop of security checks. The most reliable way to reach a live specialist for any transaction is through the Facebook Activity shortcut. Open the Facebook app and tap the three-line menu. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Tap Account Center at the very top, look under the Account Settings section, and tap MetaPay. Select Activity or Transactions, locate the specific payment you need help with, and tap to open it. Tap Get Help with this payment, and then select Contact Us. Choose Live Chat. When the automated bot asks what's wrong, type the word agent or real person to bypass the AI and get connected to the 24/7 support team. If you used MetaPay for an Instagram shop purchase or a donation, follow these steps. Go to your profile and tap the menu at the top right. Tap Orders and Payments. Select the transaction in question and tap Get Help. Instagram now offers a direct support inbox where you can track the status of your payment tickets in real time. If you are locked out of your account or suspect fraud, use these direct lines. Call 1-888-851-6382. This is Meta's primary line for payment verification and unauthorized charge reports. You can also email pay-support@fb.com. This is best for sending documentation like bank statements or screenshots that prove a double charge. Be careful of support scams. A real MetaPay agent will never ask you for your Facebook password or your 6-digit MetaPay PIN. If someone calls you claiming to be Meta and asks for a verification code sent to your phone, hang up immediately. It's a scam to hijack your account. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.